M1 Shredder. With the end of the US Army's M1 Grizzly program in 2001, the service is still looking for a breakthrough vehicle solution, and in 2008 launched the Assault Vandal vehicle, which, like the M1 Grizzly before it, was designed to be logistically friendly on the existing M1 Abrams main battle tank chassis and running gear. The vehicle, dubbed the Smasher in US Marine Corps and Army service, has received 39 examples to date, a far cry from the Army's initial plan of 366 M1 Grizzlies. The 72-ton, 40-foot shredder is equipped with a dozer blade in the bow and a motorized turret. AA V7 Amphibious Assault Vehicle. Introduced in 1984, the BAE Systems Assault Amphibious Vehicle, or AA V7A1, has earned a reputation for rugged durability and superior mobility for transporting troops and cargo from ship to shore. At sea, a 400 horsepower turbocharged diesel V8 engine powered by two 14,000 GPM water jet pumps gives the AA V7A1 vehicles a cruising speed of 7 knots and the ability to navigate 10-foot plunging surf going either seaward or to the shore. On land, the proven torsion bar suspension and BAE Systems' signature Bigfoot track provide exceptional mobility across all terrains at a maximum speed of 45 miles per hour. Buffalo Clearance Vehicle. The Buffalo MPRC is a single-door, diesel-powered, mine-protected route-cleaning truck with a 19-ton capacity and 6-wheel drive. It measures 26.9 feet long by 8 feet broad by 9.75 feet tall. It has an automatic transmission and seating for 12 extra passengers in addition to the driver and co-driver. Each bench has a 4-point safety harness. The Buffalo has a 40-inch unprepared fording depth, a 40-degree approach angle, and a 45-degree exit angle. It can drive both on and off-road, and it has run-flat tire inserts. Listva. Listva can be used in convoys of armored vehicles, combat engineers, or to guarantee the safety of humanitarian convoys as a forward demining vehicle. Listva's primary mission is to detect explosive mines and dispose of sapper munitions and improvised explosive devices, says Viktor Kladov, Director for International Cooperation and Regional Policy at Rostec State Corporation. The vehicle can provide complete protection for the following convoy, effectively replacing an entire unit of sappers. Global Head. The Het A1 is a 6x6 variant of the Oshkosh Global Het. The vehicle appears to be targeted at export customers. The United Arab Emirates chose it in 2011. The first cars arrived in 2012. It serves as a tractor vehicle to the Jobaria artillery rocket system there. It tows the rocket launcher semi-trailer and resupplies it with reload ammo and a crane. This tractor truck is powered by an 18.1-liter Caterpillar C18 turbocharged diesel engine, developing 700 horsepower. The vehicle is fitted with a central tire inflation system. It can be adjusted from the driver's seat to suit the terrain that is being crossed. Black Knight Transformer. The patent technology of the Black Knight Transformer is a first in vertical takeoff and landing airplanes. The vehicle design is highly modular to accommodate a wide range of payloads, including a ground drivetrain unit that enables it to travel like a car. The Advanced Tactics Black Knight Transformer is a multi-engine rotorcraft inspired by the recent popularity of tiny electric multicopters. The Black Knight, unlike the small electric versions, is a full-scale aircraft with a substantial payload and range capability. The vehicle also has a fully independent ground drivetrain that allows it to drive off-road to any location, regardless of whether a suitable landing zone is accessible. ProHod 1. The ProHod 1 heavy robotics complex is built on the same frame as the T-90 main battle tank, the BMR-3MA demining armored vehicle. ProHod 1 is intended for military columns to pass through minefields with a width of 4.5 meters in combat circumstances. The vehicle can work under crew control, with remote control or in automatic mode. The ProHod 1 is powered by a 1000 horsepower diesel engine, identical to the one used in the T-90 tank. On the bottom, extra anti-mine protection is installed. ERA covers the front of the case and the control section. The vehicle has a crew of 2 persons and a troop compartment for 3 sappers. LVSR Wrecker. The Oshkosh Logistics Vehicle System Replacement Wrecker has the mobility and flexibility to reach vehicles in any terrain, as well as the power to recover them if they were stuck in mud, sand, water, or snow. It features combat-proven advanced technologies such as the TAC-4 independent suspension system and the Command Zone TM integrated management and diagnostic system. It can perform any task and is capable of maneuvering even the most treacherous terrains.